Picture Windows Redmond installation in Redmond, WA, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their views and increase natural light. Our Redmond window services specialize in providing energy-efficient windows that not only beautify your home but also reduce energy costs. With custom window designs available, you can tailor your Picture Windows Redmond to fit your unique style and needs. For those considering window replacement in Redmond, our residential window solutions offer a wide range of options. Whether you need window installation services or are interested in double-pane windows, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Our window frame options in Redmond, WA, include various materials and styles to complement any home design, and our Picture Windows Redmond are crafted to enhance both beauty and performance. Our glass window experts in Redmond are dedicated to providing top-notch home window upgrades. We offer comprehensive window maintenance services in Redmond to ensure your windows remain in excellent condition. Our window style consultation in Redmond, WA, helps you choose the perfect design to match your home's aesthetic, and our Picture Windows Redmond options provide timeless elegance and expansive views. Window sealing services in Redmond are essential for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort. Our window insulation solutions in Redmond, WA, are designed to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. If you need window glass replacement in Redmond, our team is ready to assist with high-quality materials and expert installation of Picture Windows Redmond that perform year-round. Explore our window design ideas in Redmond, WA, to find inspiration for your next project. Our window fitting services in Redmond ensure a perfect installation every time. We also offer a variety of window hardware options in Redmond, WA, to enhance both functionality and style, and our Picture Windows Redmond collections are ideal for creating a striking focal point in any room. For those in need of window cleaning services in Redmond, our team provides thorough and efficient cleaning to keep your windows sparkling. Our window tinting services in Redmond, WA, offer privacy and UV protection while enhancing the look of your home. Trust our window installation experts in Redmond for all your window needs, including expert care for your Picture Windows Redmond. Accurate window measurement services in Redmond, WA, are crucial for a successful installation. Our window safety features in Redmond provide peace of mind for families with children or pets. We offer detailed window cost estimates in Redmond, WA, to help you plan your budget effectively when investing in Picture Windows Redmond for your home. Picture Windows Redmond installation in Redmond, WA, is a specialty of ours, providing stunning views and increased natural light. Our Redmond window services are committed to delivering energy-efficient windows that enhance your home's beauty and reduce energy expenses. With custom window designs available, you can personalize your Picture Windows Redmond to suit your style and requirements. For those considering window replacement services in Redmond, our residential window solutions offer a variety of options. Whether you need window installation in Redmond, WA, or are interested in double-pane windows, we have the expertise to fulfill your needs. Our window frame options in Redmond, WA, include diverse materials and styles to match any home design, and we offer Picture Windows Redmond for an unmatched combination of beauty and performance. Looking for top-notch Picture Windows Redmond installation in Redmond, WA? Our Redmond window services specialize in energy-efficient windows and custom window designs. Whether you need window replacement, Redmond, or residential window solutions, we have you covered. Our window installation services ensure your picture windows Redmond are always in perfect condition. Choose from a variety of window frame options and let our glass window experts guide you. Upgrade your home with our home window upgrades in Redmond, WA. Our window maintenance Redmond services keep your windows in top shape. We offer window style consultation to help you choose the best designs. Our window sealing services and window insulation solutions in Redmond, WA, ensure your home stays comfortable year-round. Need window glass replacement? Our experts in Redmond are ready to assist with the finest picture windows Redmond options. Our window design ideas in Redmond, WA, are perfect for any home. Trust our window fitting services in Redmond for a seamless installation. Explore our window hardware options in Redmond, WA, for added functionality. Our window cleaning Redmond services keep your windows sparkling. Consider our window tinting services in Redmond, WA, for added privacy and energy efficiency for your picture windows Redmond. Our window installation experts in Redmond provide precise window measurement services. Enhance safety with our window safety features in Redmond. Get accurate window cost estimates in Redmond, WA, for your project. Our picture windows Redmond installation services are unmatched. Trust our Redmond WA window services for all your needs. Energy-efficient windows Redmond are a smart choice for any homeowner. Our custom window designs Redmond WA offer unique solutions. Window replacement services Redmond ensure your home is up to date. Residential window solutions Redmond WA cater to all styles. Window installation Redmond WA is quick and efficient, and our picture windows Redmond are built for lasting beauty. Double-pane windows Redmond provide excellent insulation. Explore window frame options Redmond WA for the perfect fit. Our glass window experts Redmond offer professional advice. Home window upgrades Redmond WA enhance your living space. Window maintenance services Redmond keep your windows functioning well, and our picture windows Redmond make a stunning visual statement. Window style consultation Redmond WA helps you find the perfect look. Our window sealing services Redmond improve energy efficiency. Window insulation solutions Redmond WA keep your home comfortable. Window glass replacement Redmond is handled by our skilled team. Discover window design ideas Redmond WA for inspiration, including our elegant picture windows Redmond. Window fitting services Redmond ensure a perfect installation. Choose from our window hardware options Redmond WA for added convenience. Our window cleaning services Redmond maintain your windows' clarity. Window tinting Redmond WA offers privacy and energy savings. Trust our window installation experts Redmond for quality service and the finest picture windows Redmond. Window measurement services Redmond WA provide precise dimensions. Enhance security with our window safety features Redmond. Get detailed window cost estimates Redmond WA for your project. Our picture windows Redmond installation is second to none. Rely on our Redmond WA window services for all your window needs.